everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. If you haven't watched 1 and 2, go back and check those out. 1 is very eventful, 2 is, honestly yesterday I was having a bit of a day with a headache, going around trying to get stuff done. Honestly, I was pretty overwhelmed. I ended up going to bed early, but today is a more normal day for me and I'm really feeling good today. I woke up feeling rested. I went for a 2-mile walk and I always think that makes me feel 1,000 times better. So I made myself some breakfast. I'm having coffee and the eggnog coffee that I shared yesterday. This is my first cup of it. It is so good. Not as good as the Hawaiian coffee, but for festive coffees, this has to be my favorite. I would say it's better than peppermint mocha. And that's serious. That's a serious accusation. Eggnog is better than peppermint mocha, and I'm not a huge eggnog girly. I was pleasantly surprised. As far as today goes, I am going to finish up breakfast. I am going to self-tan because the summer tan is gone. She's gone, and my loving tan is the 2-hour express, so I'll only be tanning for 2 hours. But we're gonna head to my apartment today, do some fun things. We're also headed to a holiday bar tonight, which I've never been before. I don't know if you'll recognize this name, but it's called Miracle Pop-Up Bar. They have them all over the US. They have pretty fun ones in St. Augustine, but they have one in Jacksonville this year, and I've never been, so I am really looking forward to going. They have fun, festive holiday drinks, which you know I'm all about that. So we'll just see where the day takes us, I guess. I put self-tanner on and I don't want to scare you by showing you how I look right now. You won't see my face until I take my self-tanner off, but I do want to show you what I'm making right now. I've been loving these sweet potato cubes. You just put them in at 400 for about 30 minutes, and I've been making bowls with them. This is lunch today. I love making these bowls. Let me break it down for you. At the very bottom, we have a little bit of rice, then I pack in so much arugula. Arugula is my favorite. I put it on and in everything. And I have these sweet potatoes I just made, chopped cucumbers, tomatoes, Kalamata olives, a little bit of feta, and then in the middle, tzatziki. I am all tanned up. It looks a little bit, of course, darker than usual. The first day is always pretty bold, and then the other days look a little bit more natural, but I'm a huge fan of Loving Tan. Their 2-hour express is my favorite because if you do the other one, then usually you have to spend the whole day in self-tanner, or you have to sleep in the self-tanner, and then your sheets end up getting dirty from the bronzer on it. So 2-hour express is my favorite. I will link it down below. Now I am ready to head over to my apartment, but first I'm gonna go pick up some packages from the mailroom. One fun thing this apartment does is anytime you get a package, you get a text, and I always feel like I'm on Love Island because I get so excited anytime I get a text. I'm like, I got a text! All of my friends on different occasions have told me that I dress like an undercover celebrity, and you know, I'll take it. I'm in a comfy jogger set right now, headed to my car to pick up these packages. These Panera catering bags, guys, you can't sleep on them. I just keep this in my car and I use it to bring up all of my packages. So I got something from Nasty Gal, something from Amazon, something from Lulu's. All my Black Friday spends are coming in. And then, what's this? This, I think, is from Amazon. Oh, no. This is from Forever 21. And last but not least, oh, this is my Wi-Fi. I'm kind of confused. I must have left something in the mailroom because I ordered 2 things that were delivered from Amazon today and I only picked up 1. So I'll have to go back. But let's unbox these packages. I'm sitting on the floor for today's unboxing. First up is Amazon. Okay, this box is like disheveled. What happened? It's all ripped apart. Okay, so these are Peachy Clean sponges. At my friend Jordan's Friendsgiving, I was cleaning her dishes with these sponges and I was like, you need to tell me where you got these. They smell so good and they clean so well. And she said that the one that she'd already had for months and they hold up really well. But I've never used a sponge and thought, wow, I really love this sponge until I tried this sponge. It smells like peaches, like a peaches and cream milkshake from Chick-fil-A. Just a really thick material and it doesn't fall apart and it really gets everything. I'm gonna be like a beauty influencer right now. But definitely get these from Amazon. Moving on, I already opened this one because I was too excited, but this is from Nasty Gal. It's a chocolate and blue blazer. And I thought of wearing it open with a little bandeau underneath with some leather shorts or leather pants. I feel like that's a really chic look for winter time. I've been into blazers lately a lot. Next up, Lulu's. This is a big, chunky knit scarf with color blocking. So color blocking on chunky scarves is in, and also scarves with lots of fun colors are in, not just your everyday neutrals, but people have been pairing like a bland neutral outfit with a really fun scarf. And I saw this one on Black Friday. Wow, this is big. I saw this one on Black Friday and I thought it was so cute with the pink and the grays. I could even wear it with this. And I had to get it. So there were a few on Lulu's that I absolutely loved, and then there were a few on, it's either Anthropologie or Free People that I was like, wow, those are cute. But I think those were a little bit more expensive. I want to say they were like 56, and this one I got for 30. It's very soft. I always get scared that scarves are gonna be really itchy, but this one is so snuggly, so soft. Next up is Forever 21, also a Black Friday find. Okay, let's open this one first. They're both sets, but in different ways. This is a cardigan top, which I thought it was gonna be a little bit more red and a little less burgundy, but I'm really into this burgundy too, so that's fine with me. I can see myself wearing this open with a little cami underneath or closed. I think both would be cute. And then it comes with this matching little skirt. I thought this would be a fun holiday set to have, which is why I got it, and it was very affordable on Black Friday. This next one is a little bit more chic, and the reviews were iffy on part of it, so I really hope I like it, but it was just so cute on the model that I was like, I'm getting it, I have to. This little top, it's a gray, comfy knit top. I think this will be fine. Some people were saying that the strap is too long, you can't adjust it, but I feel like that will fit me really well. And then just a cardigan to pair on top, and I would definitely wear this open with that little gray top underneath, and then maybe I'd pair it with some leather. I love cozy leather mixes. It like mixes edgy with comfort. It's great. Throwing my packages away and just thought this would be an amazing opportunity to show you my trash bags that are pink/purple. They look more pink in person. I know on camera they kind of look purple, but they're pink. I just stopped by the mailroom and I forgot 2 Amazon packages. The first one, of course, because it doesn't even look like an Amazon package, but that's my closet organizers, and then this is my cordless vacuum cleaner. So slowly but surely, I'm getting all the things that I need for here. When my parents come in a couple weeks, I'll be able to go out and buy bar stools with them, just because I like their expert advice. I feel like parents always know what to do, you know? So I'm gonna blow dry my hair because it's all dry here and it's dry outside of the clip, but what's in the clip is still soaking wet. So here I come, Dyson. What do you think? What do you think? I'm gonna show you full body in a second. Oh, that's the pile of things that I unboxed back there. But yeah, I'm gonna show you full body in this because it's so cute. Okay, this is the look What are you thinking? I am so happy with this. I told you I would love the leather and the comfy together. I think it's just the perfect combo. The leather pants are my favorite style pants. So they're these Zara leather marine pant straight leg. So the marine pant at Zara is just a straight leg pant. I have it in beige denim. They sell it in so many different colors, and they also sell it in this leather. And I think it's really nice, especially for short people, because it has a raw hem at the end, so you can just cut the pants to your length instead of taking it to a tailor. I'm wearing a sock booty. I really can't tell what you guys are seeing right now, but I'm wearing a sock booty. I got them from Nordstrom Rack. I will try and link them below, but they are a few years old. I'll find something similar for you. And then the top is the top that I just unboxed from Forever 21. It fits very comfortably, no problems with the straps. Like I talked about earlier, the straps fit really well. The purse is my mom's from a long time ago. So sorry mom, I have your purse. This is my fun holiday drink night outfit. It's Friday, it's the end of the week. I made it through. I'm feeling super, super grateful. I think yesterday I was feeling a lot of overwhelm, but today I feel like I've got it all figured out. I feel very happy. Got the eggnog something because my coffee this morning inspired me.